Hello students, am I audible? Hello, आवाज येतो स्टुडंट माझा?
Yes, sir.
Hello, good afternoon students, am I audible?
Yes,
आवाज
sir.
येतो?
Good afternoon.
Yes. Okay. So already in previous lecture we have completed our first unit, that is non-conventional machine process. So from today we are going to start our second unit, that is milling machines and its milling processes. So as per that, in that second unit you have to study the basic information about your milling machine, then milling machine. After that, studying the basic types of milling machine, you have to study the various milling cutters. After studying number of milling machine types, in the next part we have to study the milling cutters. Means face milling cutter, end milling cutter, staggered tooth milling cutter, side and face milling cutter, palm milling cutters, splitting saw. So these are the different milling cutters. After studying these cutters, then in the next part we have to study the milling processes. So there are different milling processes. So milling processes like plain milling, face milling, side milling, end milling, then straddle milling, gang milling, slitting, and there is basic two types of milling, up milling and down milling. That question in your offline question paper is always differentiate between up milling and down milling. So that part we have to study. Then there are number of cutting parameters. There are number of cutting parameters like your lathe machine also. Just like lathe machine मध्ये आपण शिकलो होतो cutting speed, feed, depth of cut. Similar to that, here in milling machine also we have to study the cutting parameters like cutting speed, feed, and lastly, in that last part, we have to study the dividing head. The dividing head is of two types. Dividing head, its function, its method of indexing, and indexing plates. Now, while doing the gear managing on your milling machine, you have to study these various dividing head. सरांनी मला वाटतं सकाळी पॉवर सरांनी तुम्हाला डिवायडिंग हेड दाखवलं होती बरोबर नसेल दाखवलं आपण बघणारच आहे डिटेलमध्ये that part is important in your gear manufacturing. So in this way, you have to study this milling part one by one. Now in the first part, we will understand what is that milling exactly. बरोबर मी PPT शेअर केली आहे तुम्ही बघता सगळेजण बरोबर. Now these are the different examples. These are the different examples of milling operations. So I can cut this plot. Okay, at four corners at that blue color job, there is a some portion is milled. After milling, we can observe such type of structure. Then we can have this rack and pinion structure also. For a pinion like structure, this structure is there. Then we can have this C type of structure also. बरोबर ड्रॉइंग मध्ये सी पार्ट मध्ये दाखवलेलं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे तशा प्रकारचं बरोबर इंटरनली आय कॅन बोर द पार्ट विथ हेल्प ऑफ मिलिंग कटर देन इन दिस डी सेक्शन आय कॅन cut like a gear also or internally, so that is also done with the help of milling cutters different. And in the last section, that is e part, small e, that we can cut the milling gears also with the help of milling cutter. We can cut the given workpiece in the form of various gears also having this number of teeth. These are the teeth outer peripheral edges दाखवलेले, they are the teeth. Number of teeth we can manager with the milling machine. Student दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? Hello students.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This time.
Only 20, not 20 also, so 17 18 students are there only. So these are the examples of different milling processes or milling cutting operations. So we can do as per our required machine drawing. बरोबर तुमचं जॉबचं ड्रॉइंग तशा प्रकारे रिक्वायर्ड जॉबचं ड्रॉइंग कसं आहे as per that you can remove the required metal in the form of different shapes. So these are the different schematic illustration of milling machine. सरांनी मला सकाळी दाखवलं आपल्या कॉलेजला समजा असं मशीन आहे that is having in the vertical tool. बरोबर, आज सकाळी सरांनी दाखवलं होतं. That tool is mounted in the vertical motion position. So that is the, we can call it as a VMC, vertical mounted, and HMC is the horizontal machining center. Okay, that tool is mounted in which condition? Student first diagram मध्ये there's a figure 2 आहे, schematic illustration. In that schematic illustration, the first drawing, that cut milling cutter is in the horizontal position. बरोबर ना? ते overarm जो आहे, overarm is in the horizontal structure, and that connected to that overarm there is one arm is there. On that arm, on that shaft, there is a milling cutter is attached, so that cutter is in the horizontal position. So that type of machine is called as a horizontal machining center, because that cutter is rotating in that horizontal axis. This axis कसा आहे तो, it is in horizontal position. Whereas in another part of drawing, this B part, that milling cutter is in the vertical position. बरोबर, तर वरचा जे डिवाइडिंग हेड आहे, त्या हेडला जे कटर खाली कनेक्ट केलंय, that end milling cutter, that is in the vertical position and it is rotating, suppose. So that type of machine is called as a VMC, or called as a vertical machining center, because your tool position decides. आपण जेव्हा पुढे CNC machine बघू डिटेल मध्ये, your tool movement, your tool position will decide whether it is HMC or whether it is VMC. बरोबर, my horizontal tool is that is HMC, horizontal machining center. When that tool is in the vertical position, it is called as a VMC. So this is basic about any type of milling machine. So there is a column is there, vertical column and horizontal base. So base and column चा असा एक प्रकारचा L shape येतो. त्या बेस कॉलम वरती काय आहे, नी टाइप स्ट्रक्चर आहे बघा, येलो कलरचं जे आहे, there is a knee type machine structure, and to that machine structure one saddle is mounted, red color saddle is mounted, and to that saddle there is a work table. हा जो lavender color मला वाटतं, that work table is there having T slots, having, बरोबर, त्या वर्क टेबलवर काय असतं, देयर आर रिव्हर्स शेप T slot, बरोबर, उलटा T येतो. that T slots for sliding the workpiece or clamping it with the clamping pins. बरोबर, clamping करते तो त्या T slot ला तो tool with their proper clamps. That's why there are reverse shape T slots are there on that work table, and on that work table to that overarm column ला connect केलेला overarm वर काय आहे, there is a milling cutter is connected in horizontal position, and the milling cutter is mounted on that shaft. That shaft is called as a arbor. Bro, that shaft is called as a arbor. Milling cutter could mount. The students try to understand that milling cutter is always mounted on your arbor. Okay, so students, that milling cutter on your milling machine, it is mounted on which part? Students, it is mounted arbor. That horizontal spindle, horizontal shaft is called as ARBOR, arbor. That arbor is the shaft on which your milling cutter is mounted. Okay, students, कळालं का सगळ्यांना? हा horizontal arbor आहे, त्या arbor वर आपण milling cutter mount केले, so that it can do the face milling. बरोबर, that is the CMC. That tool is in the rotary. Whereas in the second drawing, in the same sketch, in the second half, there is a VMC, vertical machining center. आणि सकाळी तुम्हाला पॉवर सारण्याचं मशीन दाखवलं ना, पॉवर सारणे आपल्या कॉलेजचं जे मशीन दाखवलं, दॅट इज इन दिस सेटअप. अशा प्रकारचं ते डिवाइडिंग हेडला काय आहे, there is a vertical tool is connected, so that is a tool is moving in the vertical axis, that is called as a vertical machining center. And another remaining structure is same. Another way, remaining structure is same, column and base. To that column and base vertically there is a head. To that head, tool is mounted in vertical position, and below that tool there is a workpiece. And that workpiece is connected to the, or mounted on your work table. And again on that work table, these lines are the T slots. There are reverse shape. तो T कसा आहे, उलटा T आहे तिथे, बरोबर. That's why it is a reverse shape T slot, so that slots, in that slot we can slide the job fix करताना आपण त्या clamping त्याच्यावर sliding करून we can fix up the job at proper position during milling. So there is a work table having T slots, and below that workpiece there is a saddle is there, and below that saddle there is a knee part is the for moving your work table up and down. The work table movement दाखवली बघा, up and down. So work table can be moved up and down with the help of this saddle and key. So that is your basically milling machine. Students समजताय का सगळ्यांना? Hello, in your previously offline question papers, that question is asked many times. Draw the schematic of vertical milling machine or horizontal milling machine. So horizontal milling machine काय? That tool is in the horizontal position. Tool is rotating against that horizontal axis. Whereas in VMC, vertical machining center, like our college machine, suppose at present. So that vertical milling machine, the tool is rotating in that vertical axis. So that is a vertical machining center, and remaining structure is same to that both HMC or VMC, base, column, and the horizontal shaft in which that cutter is connected. Horizontal shaft in which that cutter is connected, it is called as a arbor. It is the arbor, or called as a arbor, that horizontal shaft in which your milling cutter is mounted. So these are the different basic structure of any milling machine. This is simple structure of horizontal machining center or maybe vertical machining center, depending upon your type of work you are doing. So student कळत आहे का सगळ्यांना? हॅलो, आपण सरांनी सकाळी पण सांगितलं होतं मला that after studying that lathe machine, बरोबर, आपण lathe machine तुमच्या 4थ्या सेमेस्टरच्या सब्जेक्टला एम्पियर मध्ये बघितलं सगळ्यांनी, बरोबर. मग त्या मॅनेजमेंट प्रोसेसच्या पुढचा पार्ट आपण मिलिंग मशीन शिकतो आज. अगेन ॲडव्हान्स टू दॅट lathe machine there is milling machine. So milling machine basically काय आहे? There is a difference in your tool in your lathe machine. That lathe machine tool is a single point cutting tool. Okay, that lathe machine tool is a single point cutting tool, whereas milling cutters they are the multiple tooth cutter like this. Means previously we have seen that drawing. So previously we already seen in that previous slide. So suppose these are the different parts which I can produce. So this is like a just milling cutter only. हा जो गियर तयार केला आहे, this is like a milling cutter. It is not having single point. एक single point आहे का इथं? So that tool is having multiple tooth across its periphery. त्याच्या circumference वर काय आहे? Number of teeth are mounted externally. That is your milling cutter. बरोबर लक्षात घेणे स्टुडंट. सिंगल पॉइंट कटिंग मध्ये काय होतं? That tool is having single point, only one point during machining, which cuts the material. But whereas in your milling machine, that milling cutter is not like your lathe machine single point tool. It is having the multiple tooth, that 1, 2, 3, maybe more. So multiple tooth will naturally remove more material or less material. Students, म्हणजे tooth number of tooths आहे, बरोबर. There is not only single point teeth. There are multiple tooth like milling cutter. मग मशीनिंग कशी जास्त होणार आहे? मल्टिपल टूथ मिलिंग मध्ये होणार का लेथ मध्ये होणार आहे? सिंगल पॉइंट लेथ मध्ये naturally. Yes students, आवाज होतो ना माझा? कुठल्या प्रोफेशन मध्ये जास्त मशीन होणार आहे मग? हॅलो स्टुडंट, झोपले का रे? कुठल्या ऑपरेशन मध्ये जास्त मशीन होणार आहे? लेथ मशीन मध्ये होणार का मिलिंग मध्ये होणार आहे? हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, हॅलो.
लेथ मशीन सर.
लेथ मशीन मध्ये. ओके, एनी अदर आन्सर स्टुडंट्स? लेथ मध्ये सिंगल पॉइंट कटिंग टूल आहे ना, आणि मिलिंग मध्ये कसं आहे? मल्टिपल टूथ कटर आहे.
Milling sir.
Yes, naturally answer is not lathe, as in that lathe machine there is only single point. तुम्हाला दाखवतो आपण सिंगल पॉईंट कटिंग टूल कसा असतो. जस्ट मी विल चेक दॅट. सिंगल पॉईंट कटिंग टूल दाखवतो तुम्हाला. बघितलंय पण जस्ट आय सी यू अगेन. सिंगल पॉईंट single point cutting tool. So student, this is single point cutting tool. This is a schematic of a. दिसतंय का स्टुडंट ड्रॉइंग मध्ये? मग मी शेअर करतो ड्रॉइंग इथे जस्ट. Again I am sharing the screen just a minute. So student, try to understand. Lathe machine मध्ये आपण single point tool वापरला होता बरोबर. That single point tool is like this. So this time students, since here can be baga. So this is a single point. All these drawings are of single point tool. It is only one point, like our ball pen, ball point, or maybe pencil. It is only on having only one end to write or to erase. बरोबर. पेन्सिल असेल तर पेन्सिलने आपण लिहितो काय ते बरोबर. पण दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? हॅलो स्टुडंट्स.
हो दिसतंय.
So this is a single point cutting tool. So naturally single point cutting tool will remove less material. Single point cutting tool will remove less material as compared to your multiple milling cutter, multiple tooth milling cutter. So students, हा gear का it is one of the example of milling cutter. पुढे आपण जो बघणार येलो पार्ट आपण जर milling machine वर मशीन केलाय. But this is also one of the typical example of milling cutter. So naturally there is a number of tooths. त्या gear वर काय आहे? There are number of external tooth. So this external tooth they are working as a tool. So that is called as a multiple tooth milling cutter. त्या tooth वर किती आहे? milling cutter वर there are number of tooths externally. So each tooth will remove the material while working against workpiece. वर्कपीस वर रोटेशन होतं ना का होणार आहे? प्रत्येक जो milling tooth आहे, each will remove some part of material. So naturally material will be removed by multiple tooth. So naturally material removal is more in your multiple tooth cutter. Okay. So student, milling machine सगळ्यांना समजतंय? These are the different milling operations and these are the different types of milling machine. Vertical milling center or horizontal machining center. Then in the next part, these are again schematic sketch of vertical milling. आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये सगळे दाखवलं होतं सर. स्टुडंट दिसतंय सगळ्यांना ना? हॅलो स्टुडंट.
सर.
वर्टिकल मिलिंग दिसतंय सगळ्यांना ना? So vertical milling and horizontal milling. So these are the schematic sketch of vertical milling, as the tool is in vertical position, whereas in this horizontal, that arm is in the horizontal position and connected to that arbor, connected to that horizontal arbor. Milling cutter is rotating in a horizontal axis. That's why it is called as a horizontal milling machine. सगळ्यांना समजलं असेल स्टुडंट. And these are the different cutters. Student, these are the different milling cutters. Milling cutter जे तुम्हाला म्हटलं, it is not a single point. It is a multiple tooth cutter. So these are the plain milling cutter having this circular shape. Then these are the different forms of cutter, like corner rounding mill, dovetail mill, four fluted end mill, then ball end mill, end milling cutter. These are the different end milling cutters, different cutters. These are all multiple tools. So एक tooth आएगा नहीं, there will be number of tools. So naturally, horizontal removal is more in your milling machine. So these are the number of tools which we have to study one by one. That is your milling cutters one by one we have to study. So this is called as a basic nomenclature of milling cutter. Milling cutter जो आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे. This is the basic structure of a milling cutter. So this is a end view or side view. Right, end view or side view, and this is a called as a bro. So front view, suppose. So there is a hole diameter to mount that cutter on that arbor. So there is a one hole is there of having required diameter. Then across that periphery, there are number of tooth. There are number of tooths. So the tooths are having dimension like outside diameter and various pitch pitch of the teeth. This number of the tooth है. The number of tooth मतलब radial distance. The radial in degree radius, that is the pitch of the tooth. Whereas depth of tooth ला किती cutting edges है. That is the depth of tooth. Then distance between that tooth is the line portion. Then primary clearance angle and secondary clearance angle. Angle between that clearance edges, that is primary angle and secondary angle. Then there is a keyway. When you are mounting that milling cutter on that horizontal arbor, suppose. So that milling cutter must be properly mounted on that arbor. For that, there is a keyway is provided. That keyway is to fix up that milling cutter and arbor at proper position. So there is a provision of keyway. That keyway half section is in the milling cutter part and half section is in the arbor part. That is the keyway of proper position. So students, these are the different thematic stage of a milling cutter. So students, समजते हैं सगळ्यांना outside diameter is there and there is a width of the milling cutter in that end or side view.
सर जर
Side
जाते
view काय
समजत नाही कन्सेप्ट नीट क्लिअर.
काय समजत नाही आतापर्यंत समजलं का मिलिंग काय आहे हॅलो
थोडं थोडं समजलं सर.
हा
थोडं थोडं समजलं ते.
just a minute. So student, try to understand that basically when that tool is in the vertical position, that operation is called as a, or that machine is the VMC, vertical machining center. And when that tool, when that at the that arbor, horizontal arbor वर जेव्हा मी horizontal position मध्ये tool fix करतो, that tool is rotating in that horizontal axis. So that is called as a HMC. मग हे कळलं का ऋषिकेश? HMC और VMC कळलं का स्टुडंट सगळ्यांना?
हा सर.
1 मिनिट. हां बाकीच्यांना समजलं का स्टुडंट्स? लक्षात घ्या जेव्हा टूल वर्टिकल ऍक्सिस मध्ये रोटेट होतो, when that tool is rotating in the vertical, it is called as a vertical machining center. Like सगळे सरणी मशीन दाखवलं होतं बरोबर. And when that tool is moving in the horizontal axis, that is called as a horizontal machining center. इतकं कळलं सगळ्यांना स्टुडंट्स? So we'll go to the next part, that is so next part मध्ये आपल्याला milling machine बघायचं. milling machine बघितलं आपण. So milling machine is having different structures. These are the different cross section of the milling machine, having this column, vertical column, then horizontal bed on which machine is resting, and that two column and bed लगा वरती there is a knee part. एक casting structure असतं heavy. That knee and saddle part is for lowering your workpiece table, for lowering or moving upside. खाली वर करताना तो वरती करायचा आहे as per its workpiece size. मग त्यासाठी आपल्याला हे saddle आणि knee चं movement करावं लागतं. And as well as this workpiece table. This workpiece table is in the T slots. This workpiece table is having reverse shaped T slot. बरोबर. पुढच्या लेक्चर लक्षात घ्या. मी तुम्हाला CNC मशीन सुद्धा अशा प्रकारच्या रिव्हर्स शेपचं टी स्लॉटचं सरफेस टेबल आहे ते बघू आपण. मग these are the reverse shaped T slots on that work table. तो वर्कपीस तिथे फिक्स करताना त्या टी स्लॉट मध्ये काय होतं, क्लॅम्पिंग करता येतं आपल्याला सिम्पली. त्यामुळे तिथे टी स्लॉट प्रोव्हाइड केलेले असतात. And on that horizontal arbor or maybe vertical position that your milling cutter is fixed, that is the arbor is there. Arbor is to mount the milling cutter in horizontal position, suppose. So that is the basic schematic of your either HMC, horizontal machining center, tool is moving in the or tool is rotating in the horizontal axis, whereas VMC, tool is rotating in the vertical axis, vertical machining center. Okay, मग अशा वेळेस जे मशीनिंग होणार आहे, that type of machining area is the horizontal machining, whereas when that tool is in vertical, that type of area is the vertical machining center. इतकं कळलं स्टुडंट सगळ्यांना? This is the same sketch. Now these are the different milling cutters. हे काय स्टुडंट वेगवेगळे मिलिंग कटर्स आहे, हॅव्हिंग शोन इन डिफरंट 3D व्ह्यूज, ऍक्च्युअल व्ह्यूज आहेत, ऍक्च्युअल फोटो आहे ते मिलिंग कटरचे. सो दिस इज बेसिकली एंड मिलिंग कटर. हे जे सेंटरला जे कटर आहे दॅट इज द एंड मिलिंग कटर, or this is called as a plane milling cutter, which will plane the which will mill the plane surface like this. Milling cutters are there. This is the angular milling cutter, having that teeth are in angle. So this is the two fluted. That flutes means the that external circumference of the cutting edges, that is a flute. These are the only two flute cutter. Then there is a corner rounding mill. At your corner of the cutter, there is a corner is there. So that is a corner rounding mill. ऋषिकेश काय झालं? हां, आणखी करतो स्पीकर. ऋषिकेश. So student, these are the different milling cutters which we have to study in detail. पुढे आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे पुढे वन बाय वन. आज फक्त आपण थोडक्यात बघूया स्केच मध्ये काय काय आहे ते. मग मिलिंग कटरचा अभ्यास केल्यानंतर आपल्याला पुढे बघायचं आहे. दिस इज बेसिकली अ क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ अ मिलिंग कटर. हे जे प्लेन मिलिंग क्रॉस सेक्शन मध्ये त्याचंच क्रॉस सेक्शन दाखवलं येतं. एका साईडला काय आहे, एंड व्ह्यू और साइड व्ह्यू. देयर इज अ एंड व्ह्यू और साइड व्ह्यू हॅव्हिंग सम विड्थ. बरं, त्या टूलची जी साईज असेल त्याप्रमाणे त्याला विड्थ आहे काहीतरी. दॅट इज द विड्थ ऑफ द टूल शोन इन दॅट साइड व्ह्यू of that milling cutter, and in that front view as per that maximum diameter from one end of the cutting edge to the other end diagonally, that is the outside diameter of the milling cutter, that is maximum diameter, covering in your teeth also. And these are the number of tooths on your circumference of the rotary cutter, round cutter. त्या circular cutter चे काय आहे, circumference वर असे cutting edges आहे, having this different nomenclature. Pitch of the teeth, दोन टीथ मधलं जे डिफरन्स आहे, दोन टूथ मधलं जे डिफरन्स आहे, दॅट इज द पिच. बरोबर ना? जो एक फर्स्ट टूल आहे, दिस इज सेकंड टूथ. सो इन that difference between these two tooths, that is the pitch of the teeth. Then depth of the tooth, that if that tooth is having some particular cutting edge, that is called as the depth of the tooth. Then that portion is also called as, this vertical portion is the depth of the tooth. टूल किती आतमध्ये वर्कपीस मध्ये शिरतो, that is the depth. Whereas there is a horizontal portion on that cutting edge, that is the land portion of the tooth. Whereas this is the primary clearance angle and secondary clearance angle. इनिशियल जो स्लोप आहे त्या लँड पोर्शनला, there is a primary clearance, and again there is a further depth to your cutter, that is the secondary clearance. These are the primary clearance angle and secondary clearance angle. And in this circular hole on that milling cutter, in that circular hole there is a provision to fix up your milling cutter on your workpiece, on your suppose arbor, not workpiece, on your arbor. On that arbor you have to fix that cutting or cutter in that position. So for that there is a keyway is there. keyway काय करतो, there is a keyway, that key, in that keyway we are fixing the key. So that key is the for fixing your milling cutter as well as your arbor. त्या keywayचा काय असतो, keyway मध्ये काय होतं, हाफ पोर्शन मध्ये keyway काय होती, शाफ्टवर फिक्स होती arbor वर, आणि त्या हाफ पोर्शन त्या कीचा काय होतो, त्या milling cutter वर फिक्स असतो. So what happen, it will simultaneously fix up that arbor as well as cutter at proper position. या कीवेचा यूज काय, सपोज मग रोटेट होताना फक्त तो आर्बर रोटेट होणार नाही, So when that arbor rotates, as that key is locked that cutter also on that arbor. So when that arbor is rotating, your cutter is also rotating parallelly. So by that key way, you are fixing up the key part to your rotating cutter. Okay, so this is your basically internal hole for mounting on your arbor shaft. The arbor shaft वर मला cutter mounting करण्यासाठी हे hole diameter दिले internally. So there is a basically nomenclature of कॉमन मिलिंग कटर. स्टुडंट समजला का सगळ्यात? हॅलो, आपण पुढे जेव्हा डिटेल मध्ये शिकणार आहे कटर्स मिलिंग कटर्स डिफरंटली विल अगेन स्टडी इन वन बाय वन डिटेल्स मध्ये. आज थोडक्यात लक्षात घ्या, दीज आर द डिफरंट पार्ट्स. दीज आर द डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ अ मिलिंग कटर. दिस इज अ नॉर्मल मिलिंग कटर, नो बरोबर. दिस इज द नॉर्मल मिलिंग कटर हॅव्हिंग दिस नंबर ऑफ nomenclature. These are the number of names: cutting edge, face of the tooth, keyway, secondary clearance angle, primary clearance angle, spiral angle. There is a helix angle. All these teeth are in the some helical shape. That angle between your horizontal axis and this helical shape tooth, that is the helix angle or called as the spiral angle. So this is the milling cutter nomenclature. Now these are the different milling cutters. When the left hand spiral cutter कर बघा, लेफ्ट हैंड स्पाइरल मध्ये काय होतं, that cutting edge is moving in the left hand. Cutting edge is moving in the left hand, and all the other edges, they are also in the left hand position. That's why it is called as a left hand cutter or left hand spiral cutter. Whereas right hand spiral cutter, the teeth are in the right hand side. All the teeth are in the cutter is also rotating in the right hand side, and the teeth edges are in the right hand portion. That's why it is the right hand cutter. Then these cutting edges are in not parallel to the axis of rotation. They are in the helical shape. So helical shape cutter or called as the helical cutter, and this is a plain milling cutter. The cutting edges are in the parallel to your axis. It is a plain milling cutter. So these are the different cutters which we have to study one by one in detail further. Again there are some another cutters. पुढे आपल्याला कटर्स बघायचे बरेच डिटेल मध्ये. दॅट स्लॅब मिल, बरोबर. स्लॅब मिलिंग जेव्हा मला करायचं आहे पुढे, दॅट इज अ स्लॅब मिल इज having that helical cutting edges. Then helical mill having more degree of angle to that cutter, that is a helical mill. Then there is a coarse tooth mill. Coarse tooth, the tooths are very coarse, that is a coarse tooth mill. Then staggered tooth mill, the tooths are staggered, that is the staggered tooth mill. Then side mill, for a side milling operation we are using this side mill. Then while doing the milling, the teeth get interlocking also, so that is a 1 minute student. Students, we are studying this different types of milling cutter. आपण जेव्हा मिलिंग ऑपरेशन बघणार आहे, स्टुडंट लक्षात घ्या, आपण जेव्हा मिलिंग ऑपरेशन बघणार आहे तेव्हा पर्यंत कटर बघायचीच आपल्याला. वेन विल स्टडी द डिफरंट मिलिंग ऑपरेशन्स. आपण जेव्हा मिलिंग ऑपरेशन बघू वन बाय वन, इन दॅट ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू स्टडी दिस डिफरंट मिलिंग कटर्स. सो नॉट टू वरी. आता फक्त लक्षात घ्या त्याच्या स्केच प्रमाणे हेलिकल मिल्स कटर आहे काय, प्लेन मिलिंग कटर आहे, बरोबर. हेलिकल मिल आर्बर टाइप, arbor shaft सारखा ते cutter, that's why it is a arbor type helical mill. So these are the different milling cutters which we have to use in one by one. Then these are called as a end mill. त्याचा एक end कसा आहे, one end is for fixing up that milling cutter on that arbor, बरोबर. त्या vertical त्या head मध्ये आपल्याला फिक्स करायचं आहे, and one of the head is as a cutting edge, so that is called as a एंड मिल्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ एंड मिलिंग कटर. हे सगळे कटर कसे आहे, दे आर एंड मिलिंग कटर. सो टू लीप एंड मिल, दोनच लीप आहे त्याला, दॅट्स व्हाय इट इज टू लीप एंड मिल. देन देर आर टी स्लॉट्स फॉर मूविंग द टी स्लॉट्स, दॅट इज अ टी स्लॉट एंड मिल. देन डबल एंड मिल, सिंगल एंडला काय होतं, एकाच एंडला कटिंग एजेस आहे, बट द डबल एंड मिल इज हॅव्हिंग बोथ साइडला काय कटिंग एजेस आहे, दॅट्स व्हाय इट इज डबल एंड मिल. देन देर इज अ शेल एंड मिल, देर इज अ शेल एंड मिल अँड वुडरफ की स्लॉट एंड मिल. बरोबर, की स्लॉट मला मिलिंग करायचं आहे. सो दीज आर द डिफरंट एंड मिलिंग कटर. त्याच्या एकाच एंडला काय आहे, आयदर ॲट वन एंड और आयदर ॲट बोथ एंड देर इज अ मिलिंग कटर्स और मिलिंग एजेस, that is a end mills. So these are the various angle, concave or convex corner and gear cutters. For gear cutting मला करायचं समजा, then I have to do the different gear cutting with the help of these angular cutters. So there is a corner rounding cutter, corner form cutter, gear tooth cutter, concave form cutter, double angle cutter, simple angle cutter. So these are different angle cutters are there for particular various angles. So effects of milling cutter diameter on workpiece travel. So in this way we can mount that arbor. Student लक्षात घ्या, the standard milling machine arbor, कुठल्याही milling machine को सांगितलं मी, that horizontal part is called as a arbor. So that arbor is having this number of parts. Arbor is having number of parts to fix up your cutter. Milling cutter जेव्हा आपल्याला arbor माउंट करायचं आहे, the arbor is must have this number of parts. Lock nut आहे मला तो टूल फिक्स केल्यानंतर लॉक नट मला तो arbor फिक्स करायचा आहे. then there is a spindle is there, there is a taper is there. Internally काय आहे, taper portion is there to mount that sleeve. taper sleeve मध्ये mount करायची आहे. then there is a milling cutter is mounted on that horizontal arbor. then horizontal shaft is the arbor shaft. then there is a breaking bushing, there are bushes are there. then there are spacers to space the tool. बरोबर, टूलची पोझिशन कुठल्या ठिकाणी म्हणून ठेवायची. so for that there is a spacers are there and there is again nut is there at both ends, lock nut and other end nut, to fix up that all the number of parts at proper position. so this is the standard milling machine arbor. कुठल्याही स्टँडर्ड मिलिंग मशीन आर्बरवर अशा प्रकारचे नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स आपल्याला माउंट केलेले असतात स्टुडंट्स. मग देर इज अ क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ वन आर्म ऑफ द मिलिंग कटर. बरोबर, मिलिंग आर्बर, त्या मिलिंग आर्बरचं एक इन्स्टॉलेशन दाखवलं आपल्याला इथे बघा. देर इज आर्बर इज हॉरिझॉन्टली फिक्स इन दॅट कास्टिंग ऑल्सो. इकडे बघा ड्रॉ ऑन बोल्ट आहे, एक साइडला हा ड्रॉ ऑन बोल्ट आहे, दॅट इज कनेक्टेड फर्दर टू दॅट हॉरिझॉन्टल आर्बर. बरोबर, हॉरिझॉन्टल आर्बर होतं फिक्स केलं आहे. and that horizontal arbor is having this spindle. Initially there is a spindle is there, then there is a horizontal arbor to mount that cutting or mount milling tool. That arbor is there, then arbor is having that milling cutter mounted on it. In this bearing there are proper bearings are there. then there is a intermediate arbor support, arbor like support hand dila तिथं, and again there is arbor support to that end arm. the end arm ला काय दिलंय, there is a support is given to support that arbor. so there is a schematic of your standard milling machine arbor. these are the different tapers. हे जे टेपर दाखवलं ना म्हणजे हॉरिझॉन्टल आतमध्ये इंटरनली, these are the different tapers, standard taper, brown and sharp taper or taper with tang. this is the tang, that's why it is called as a taper with tang. these are the different arbors where they mount on that end, and these are the different milling arbors. and arbors not only horizontal plane portion, that may be in the different forms. Slide cutter is there, slitting saw, screw, shell end, sleeves with the bearing. these are the different typical milling arbors. अशा प्रकारचे वेगवेगळे ऍप्लिकेशन, पर्टिक्युलर ऍप्लिकेशन असलेले आर्बर्स आपल्याला बघायला मिळतात मिलिंग मध्ये. देन these are the different milling machine setup. milling machine मशीन करताना हे काय सेटअप असतं, टिपिकल कॉलेट टाइप milling machine adapters are there, chuck adapter is there, collet chuck is there. so these are different assessments for holding your arbor and tool at proper position. these are the index plate. आपल्याला पुढे शिकायचं स्टुडंट लक्षात घ्या, कारण या सेकंड युनिट मध्ये in that milling machine chapter there is an important part called as the indexing head or index head. So this is for gear cutting. जेव्हा मी gear cutting part शिकतोय पुढे मला gear cutting करायचं milling machine वर. So while studying this gear cutting, I must learn these examples of various indexing head. A simple indexing head है, indexing head है, ground indexing head है, universal voice है. मग हे these are different types of indexing head. Indexing head काय करता? नीट लक्ष द्या. प्रॅक्टिकली काय होतं आपलं 5 बोटामध्ये फिंगरला काय होतं आपण? They are calling as the index finger. So index finger is none of the when we are pointing out towards someone. मी जेव्हा एखाद्या मुलाला उभं करायचं वर असेल तर काय होतं ऑफिशियल मीन्स ऑफलाईन क्लासरूम मध्ये आय एम पॉइंटिंग आउट वन स्टुडंट बाय विथ माय इंडेक्स फिंगर. आय एम पॉइंटिंग आउट इट दॅट इज इंडेक्स फिंगर. सिमिलरली इंडेक्सिंग प्लेट मध्ये काय होतं वेन आय हॅव टू माउंट द और वेन आय हॅव टू मशीन द गिअर. मग तो गिअरच्या कुठल्या पोर्शनला मला मशीन करायचं आहे दॅट कॅन बी शोन बाय दॅट इंडेक्सिंग प्लेट. त्या इंडेक्सिंग प्लेटला मला रोटेटिंग मुवमेंट करून आय हॅव टू फिक्स दॅट इंडेक्सिंग हेड ॲट प्रॉपर पोझिशन सो दॅट ती जी गिअरची जी ब्लँक आहे त्याच्यावर मला कुठल्या पोझिशनला मला गिअर टीच करायचं मशीनिंग करायचं आहे दॅट ब्लँक कॅन बी इंडेक्सेड विथ द दॅट इंडेक्सिंग हेड. दॅट इज इंडेक्सिंग हेड फॉर प्रॉपर गिअर मशीनिंग. आपण पुढे शिकणारच आहोत ते सगळं. These are the different mounting tools, rotatable, offset boring head. These are different mounting tools for mounting the workpiece. Then correct mounting of workpiece in a vise. So workpiece vise मध्ये fix करण्याच्या प्रकारचे मला लागतं heads. And students, these are the different hold down straps or the indexing plate. तुम्हाला सांगितलं मी indexing plate मध्ये काय असतं? These are the number of plates, plate 1, plate 2, plate 3. As per that standard types, brown and sharper type, this is one of the standard indexing plate. So त्यामध्ये काय असतं? These are the number of holes. हे जे dark hole दिसतात तिथे. So as per that plate 1 मध्ये काय 15 holes, 16 holes, 17 holes. So as that series, there is a standard series of holes. In that plate 1, plate 2 मध्ये there is a 21 to 31, 33 holes. In that plate 3 there is a maximum number of holes, that is plate 3, 37 to 49 holes. These are the number of holes on that indexing plate, and that is a particularly brown and sharper type head, or there is a different types of brown or indexing plates are there for properly index your object. Now these are the different operations. These are the different milling operations which we have to study one by one student. मग पहिलं ऑपरेशन आपल्याला बघायचं आहे स्लॅब मिलिंग. स्लॅब मिलिंग कटरने काय करतो मी वेन दॅट स्लॅब मिलिंग इज माउंटेड ऑन आर्बर. त्या हॉरिझॉन्टल आर्बरवर मी स्लॅब मिलिंग कटर माउंट केलं आहे अँड दॅट वेन दॅट रोटर इज रोटेटिंग इट विल mill that horizontal portion that is called as a slab milling. One particular slab is removed in that first cut, that is slab milling, and second portion is called as a face milling with the help of that end milling cutter or with the help of that end cutter. I can face the milling part, that is the face milling. Then in that third part there is the end milling. That end milling cutter is again used and that spindle is rotating, so I can remove the unwanted part with the help of that end milling cutter. Then there is a called as the straddle milling. Straddle milling is gang milling. At a time on that rotating arbor, blue color arbor, we are mounting the number of tools more than one. At this drawing we can mount the two number of milling cutters at a time, so that will mill the two portion at a time. And here also one gear cutting and here also some gear cutting. So two stage one I can gear cut the operation, that is called as a straddle milling or called as a gang milling. At a time दोन milling cutter त्या arbor वर mount केले. मग जेव्हा arbor rotate होतो तेव्हा at a time both cutters are rotating. So one cutter will machine at one surface of the same workpiece and another cutter will machine the another layer of the workpiece. So at a time दोन ठिकाणी मशीन होतं, that is gang milling or called as the straddle milling. Whereas next type is the form milling. One particular form is milled. This is called convex or concave form is milled with the help of this concave or form milling cutter. So these are the number of cutters: slab milling, face milling, end milling, straddle milling or form milling. So in that way we have to study this one by one milling cutters. This is the face milling operation. Then this is called as a different schematic diagram of milling operation. These are the different milling cutter view. Straddle milling, both tools are moving on same arbor, that is a straddle milling. So these are the different applications of milling cutters, that is grind milling. At a time, two cutters are moving. Rajesh, CNC cable line. Workshop. Oh. So student, these are the different milling cutters which we have to study one by one. पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपण हे मिलिंग कटर्स अजून काही एकदा डिटेल्स मध्ये शिकायचे आपल्याला स्टुडंट. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल अगेन स्टडी दिस डिफरंट मिलिंग कटर्स इन डिटेल्स. बरोबर स्टुडंट्स, आज आपण फक्त थोडक्यात मिलिंग कटर काय आहे, मिलिंग प्रोसेस काय आहे, अँड व्हॉट इज दॅट मिलिंग ऑपरेशन, दॅट पार्ट वी आर स्टडीड इन डिटेल. In the next part, we will study that milling cutters, different types of milling cutters used in milling, face milling, then end milling cutter, staggered tooth milling cutter, side and face milling cutter, palm milling cutter, and metal sheeting saw. So as per our depending drawing, as per our required drawing, there are different shapes will be produced. Now, according to your different shapes, you have to use the different tools. So depending upon your different tools, there are different cutters are used, different milling cutters are used. So that way, we have to study these different milling cutters one by one. So in the next lecture, we will study these different milling cutters. Milling cutters समजले म्हणजे काय होतं तुम्हाला? You will go for the milling processes. Milling cutters शिकल्यानंतर तुम्ही will go for the different milling processes, so that these milling operations are depend upon your drawing. तुम्हाला साइड मिलिंग करायचं आहे का फेस मिलिंग करायचं आहे, तर तुम्हाला एंड मिलिंग करायचं आहे, हे तुमचे ड्रॉइंग सांगणार आहे. अँड ॲज पर एज युअर टूल सेटअप, तुमच्या कुठल्या प्रकारचे टूल्स आहे, तुमच्या वर्कशॉपला कुठल्या प्रकारचे मशीन आहे, कुठल्या प्रकारचे टूल्स आहे, दॅट वे इन दॅट वे यू कॅन डिसाइड वेदर यू हॅव टू डू द फेस मिलिंग ऑर एंड मिलिंग. बरोबर, मग ते मिलिंग ऑपरेशन्स व्यवस्थित वन बाय वन शिकल्यानंतर आपल्याला पुढे मिलिंग प्रोसेस बघायचं, मिलिंग प्रोसेस मिलिंग ऑपरेशन बघायचे. बरोबर, आणि लास्टला आपल्याला कटिंग करायचं, गिअर कटिंग ऑन दॅट head mechanism. So in that way, today we will learn that milling process, milling machine, they are the machines which require the number of teeth. In your lathe machine single point, there is only one teeth, that is a single point. But whereas in your milling machine, there are multiple tooth cutters, are called as a multiple teeth cutter, that is a milling cutter. So naturally, it will remove the more workpiece as compared to your lathe machine. So in that way, today we have studied that there are two types, horizontal machining center and vertical machining center. सकाळी पॉवर साइड तुम्हाला मशीन दाखवलं आपल्या कॉलेजचं मिलिंग मशीन, दॅट इज इन द वर्टिकल सेटअप, वर्टिकल मशीन सेंटर. दॅट टूल इज मूविंग इन द vertical axis, that is the vertical machining center. Whereas when that tool is in the horizontal position on that horizontal arbor, then that rotating axis is horizontal, that is called as a horizontal machining center. Okay. So in the next lecture, student, we will go to the next part, that is milling cutters. We will study that milling cutters one by one in detail. Okay, student, is it clear? So at that part